kayak today. I'm so excited. I just thought I'd show the television audience how much fun this is. First of all, you have to get in.
I'm her lovely assistant.
Yes, my lovely assistant, Lori. Gosh, it is kind of deep. I didn't want my thighs to show. Okay. First, ooh. I think we need to go a little shallow. Okay. Actually, it's probably best if you just do this.
That went much better.
Whoa!
I thought you told me these didn't tip over.
Now that's how you can drown. So I was just showing you how not to do it. Now how do you get the water out? Oh, goodness.
I think you just...
Somebody help me here. Paddle.
Paddle?
No. Get the water out. Here, I'll hold it up. You don't want too much water in it.
Okay, is that enough? Uh-oh, something came unattached. Is that the accelerator?
I really think I need help too. I'm trying to pick it up, but it's kind of heavy with all this stuff. Okay, hang on. Here. Okay. Okay, are we getting
Maybe
it?
just put it upside down and then we'll pick it up. What, is this the accelerator? I don't get it.
No, I'm the
That's not
accelerator.
it.
Okay.
What is it?
Okay, are you going to help me
okay,
pick
good.
it up? Okay, help me pick it up. Okay, now. Oh, that didn't work. Okay, always make sure you have a life preserver in it. It's
Why don't
extremely
you just
important.
get in it anyway? It'll dry up.
Well, I guess you could just, if you had a bucket, you could get in and then work on that. Okay, so try to get in as quick as you can. Oh, goodness. I'm not sure this is going to work. Let me show you the technique.
Okay, show us how to paddle it.
You know, if it was working, you kind of go like this and you have to use the back side. So you just kind of flip it around. So you get the back side. And if you do it really good, it kind of looks like synchronized swimming.
Except you don't go anywhere.
But, well, I'd go a little faster and I might make it to the middle of the lake if I didn't have water in it. But, such is life. I don't know, it might be helpful if you kind of got the water everywhere.
Oh, I think Lori drowned.
Oh, your hat. Start looking for yours. Gone.
I think my assistant's missing. Lori! Lori! Lori!
Abandoned ship! Okay. Now just get the hat.
Lori! Lori! I'm sorry.